Hello everyone and welcome to part 10 of Journaling for Beginners. We have gone through so many things. Why journaling, how you can do that, myths, each and everything, different types of journaling, different types of prompt, how you can make it effective. And today I bring a new type of journaling, that is creative journaling. What is creative journaling? Why it is important? What are the different steps you can do to do creative journaling, and then the prompt, and then how you can make it effective. So the tips for that. So let's find out what is creative journaling. The first part, a blend of writing, art, and to express thoughts and emotions. When you are adding new things, kind of art like doodles, sketch, colors, emoticons, to express yourself, to express your thoughts, emotions, this kind of a journaling is called creative journaling. The second thing is use visual elements to make journaling more engaging and fun. Visual elements means you can draw that, you can add pictures of it. If you want to create video journaling, you can add the scenes, the videos for that. It will help you to, whenever you are creating a journal, it will give you fun, it will give you excitement. The third thing, encourages free expression beyond just words. Sometimes we feel very bored whenever we write journal. So what you can do, you can include art, you can include doodles, you can include coloring. Mandala, it's also a kind of a journaling, it's kind of a meditation when you are doing, when you are writing. If you have a negative kind of emotions, what people generally pick dark colors. If they having a very relaxed mind, very calm, they are picking up the light shades or the bright shades. So you can do that. So now you understand what is creative journaling. And then the first one, boosts creativity and imagination. If you take birth on this planet, you are a creative person. Maybe you know that, maybe you don't figure it out yet, what is the creativity that you have, but the God give you something special in you. You just have to find out. And when you are doing this kind of a journaling, it will help you to enhance your creativity, it will help you to enhance your imagination. So it is important to do creative journaling, or you can add all these things in your daily journal. Makes journal enjoyable and stress relieving. As I told, it will help you to shift your mood. If you are feeling boredom while writing journal, it will shift your feeling. When you are using colors, when you are using doodles, when you are using emoticons, you are sketching, you are expressing yourself through different colors, it will give you a sense of enjoyment. The method, enhance memory and emotional processes. When we are using colors, different colors, it will create an impact in our mind, and we remember those moments, those things very effectively. Why? Because there is something different related to the other one. If I write a simple kind of a journal every day, and one day I include many things, it will create a great space in my mind, because I write in a different manner, I write using different colors. Or if I go to reflection part, if I go to the previous entries, I immediately watch the pages that I include art in which pages. So it is also important for emotional processing and enhancing memory. The fourth one is help visualize goals, emotion in a unique way. If you are using art, sometime you can add charts, you can add bar graphs, you can add flow charts. So it will help you to understand the flow for your goal. If I do this, this will happen. If I do this, this will happen. Again, the different branches. Or a mind map, that is the way of journaling also. This is also kind of a journaling. Through different colors, it makes me interesting to deliver the information. It helped me easy to find out what I am telling about. The fifth one is encourage self-expression without judgment. Nobody is going to judge you, because it is your journal. So it will help you to enhance your emotions, to express yourself. It will help you to encourage your self-confidence, self-esteem. Write art without thinking too much about yourself. Now there comes the third part, how you can do that. The first thing is choose your medium. As I told earlier, you can choose any sort of medium: notebook, bullet journal, digital app, hard copy. If you want to write in a copy, you can write it. If you want to write in a register, you can do that. If you want to write in your mobile, you can do that. Laptop, iPad, notepad, or Google Docs, Notion app, any kind of a thing you can use, whatever suits you. The second part is use colors and highlight. Assign color to moods, theme, and goal. If you are tracking your moods, you can assign different colors to your mood. Happy for this color, sad for this color, exhausted for this color, calm for this color. And when you are doing that, you know that okay, this kind of a color seems very frequently, so this is my mood in a major days, and it will help you. If it is working for you, you can do continue that same, and if it is not, you can change that. The third one, add doodles, sketches, draw emotion, objects, and symbols. Again, it is not mandatory that you have to write each and everything. Sometimes you can write, sometimes you can create an art, and then you can express. Like if you want to know more about this is what I like, this is what I don't, you create a picture of you, emoticon, or if like a male figure or a female figure, first part whatever I like, second part what I don't like, and then you can describe in your journal. The fourth one is incorporate sticker and washi tape, make pages more engaging. Whatever you want to add, stickers, sticky notes, different kind of emoticon stickers, different kind of colorful stickers like flowers or something, or a colorful tape, whatever you want, you can do that to make it more engaging, to make it more appealing. The fifth, experiment with letter styles. Try bold, cursive, block letters. The more you experiment, the more you understand that what kind of a thing you like most. Try to experiment, help you to be a more creative person. The more you experiment, the more you showcase your creativity, it will help you to create a boost in your life, to enhance your skills, whether it's related to journaling, whether it's related to goals. But once your creativity going to increase, it will help you. So this is the step-by-step process. Again, I hope you find the video useful till now. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can go through the playlist Journaling for Beginners, and you will find all the videos in that playlist. Now comes on to fourth part, the prompts part, which I like very most. Draw your current mood as a doodle and color pattern. So whatever you are having a mood right now, you can draw that, you can color it that. It's kind of a journaling. If you want to draw each and everything, you can draw, or you can draw in a certain kind of a emoticon. Number two prompt, create a color coded mood tracker for a week. As I told you, you can create a color code like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday for a month, for a week, and you can color like morning, evening, and night. Then you can figure it out that okay, this is the different kind of a modes that I have. I have a happy mood, I have a calm mood, I have an anxious, sad, normal, not so excited, boring. Assign colors to each mood, and then you can color it in the day, like Monday in the morning, whatever mood is you're having right now, then evening, then noon, so that you can figure it out and track your mood. Number third, illustrate a recent dream or memory. Try to draw your recent dream, your recent memory, so that you'll find out, you will figure out what is going in your life, what is going in your head when you are sleeping. So it will also help you to build creativity, and then you are able to discover why you are having this kind of a dream. Is it something you have to put focus on, or it is just waste of time? Doodle your dream life and future self. Very, very important. If you don't want to write, doodle it. Create an image of yourself. You can use doodles from internet, and once you start doing that, then you draw different kind of a things that you want to achieve in your dream life. This is my dream life look like. I have this kind of a thing, and like if this is the doodle, here, each and everything, so you can express in lesser time and in lesser words. Number fifth, write affirmation in color Latin. If you are writing affirmation in colorful modes, it will help you to set signal in your brain, because you are breaking the pattern. If you are writing from a blue pen and you write the affirmation from using the red color and bold letters, your brain think, okay, this is how she is writing and there is a shift, there is a change in pattern. Let me put focus on that. And if you are putting focus on that, it will give a signal to your mind, this is important. Now I want to take action according to that. Sixth part, create a brain dump page with words, sketches, and colors. As brain dump, I already told you previously, whatever comes in your mind, you just have to put it on the paper. You can do words like me and different kind of a words, or then you can create sketches, you can color it so that you know, okay, this is what I am thinking each day, this is what I am thinking in a week or a month. Let me figure it out. Is there any pattern? Let me figure it out. Are they words, are they emotions, are the things are helping me or not? And now the last part, tips, how we can do that. Don't aim for perfection, just express yourself. Your journal is for you or it is not for other person. So don't think about perfectionist, don't be perfectionist. Whatever comes in your mind, draw it, because you are drawing to discover yourself, you are drawing to do journaling, to gain information, to relax your mind, to gain clarity, whatever it is the purpose, but it is for you. So don't overthink that. Number second, mix different style, collage, watercolor, calligraphy, whatever it is, whatever you want. Doodles, mandala, sketches, free sketch, watercolor, sketch pen, or crayons, whatever you want, include in your journal to make it more effective, to make it more lively, and it will attract you, and through your journal you will attract positivity in your life. Number three, keep a set of color pen, markers, and stickers handy. If you are doing creative journaling, so it is important for you that you have all these things nearby you. Whenever you write, you can just grab a pen or a sketch pen or any kind of a thing and just create your journal. Number fourth, let your journal reflect your personality. The more you are true to yourself while doing journaling, it will reflect your personality. So don't be afraid that if you are getting any sort of negativity from your journal, that every time I think this about myself, the journal is telling to you, you are taking too much negativity for yourself, you have to change it. So your journal will telling you something about yourself. So take it in that way, take it personally, because this is your personal diary, this is your personal journal. And the last one is revisit pages for inspiration and progress tracking. Whenever you do creative journaling, after a while, just reflect on your past data entries to find out that whatever you write, whatever you do, and the pages that you are doing will help you to inspire you. This is the end of today's video. We covered creative journaling, we talked about what it is, how we can do that, the steps, why it is important, the prompts, each and everything. If you are having any sort of doubt related to creative journaling, you can type in the comment section. If you find anything useful, works for you, again you can type that. If you want to know more about journaling, you can connect with me using two things. You can join my free WhatsApp group or you can join my paid WhatsApp group. In paid WhatsApp group, I work on a theme based. Every month I have a theme for my members. We work together using prompts and then we'll discover something new. So here is the end of today's video. I hope you get some clarity. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.